Riddick Bowe is going down, even trying to throw a right hand to the body.
Hard power punches from Galata. Bowe goes down. Second time in his career that Bowe's been down, and he's wobbling badly.
And his first punch is to the body.
Bowe's not answering here.
Riddick Bowe doesn't know where he is. Him out, he has a tendency to cover up. And Galata has to be careful. Don't give him any courage by letting him.
The left hand in there. Now a right hand for Bowe as he finds himself a little bit, but Galata wobbles him again. Galata to the body. Bowe finally holds on. Galata's landed a lot of leather here. If Riddick Bowe makes it out of the round, it'll be an act of Herculean courage. And another. Bowe's taking a vicious storm of punishment. A left-hand counter landed for Bowe. He's not really sure what he's doing in there.
I think he's taking a hit, but he's taking a point away from Galata for
Yeah, it was a headbutt. 10 seconds left in the round.
Look at the knockdown. The punch landed high. You saw it landed almost. Said that Riddick Bowe is a lost cause. Is he? Why is Galata staying in so close, do you think, George?
And he's not doing this fight.
But Galata's thought process doesn't seem to be as clear now.
Seen in the heavyweight division. Next to Muhammad Ali.
What makes you say that?
You knock him down, he's just seemed to forgotten all about it. Hey, I'm in control.
Hard left hand by Galata. Bowe lands a right. They fire away at each other on this evening. But now he's back in it big time. And Galata stumbles. Andrew Galata's never been knocked down, but he will be in a few seconds if this keeps up.
Well, let's see if Galata has the stuff that Bowe had when he came back.
Bowe landed a vicious right-hand uppercut, the kind that he couldn't land in the first. He can't stop himself.
Riddick Bowe now should have a straight right hand. He wouldn't miss, but he keeps going over top.
Let's watch the knockdown. Good right uppercut seemed to do the most damage. That hurt Galata. He's trying to hang in and goes down. And so is Galata.
And they both got a right to be. Because, as you point out, George, he's breathing hard and looks exhausted.
That's true, and sometimes we know, the next thing you know, you're out of control.
Hard shots by Galata. Bowe is wasted again. That's a knockdown. That's another knockdown.
The referee should make Riddick Bowe get off those ropes.
Bowe takes a hard left-hand shot. Galata misses again with the left that would have done it. Right hand lands for Galata. No room.
He's flirting with being disqualified, and he doesn't have to do it like that.
Bowe is already reeling around the ring, and the punch again on the top of the head, and here will come the knockdown. And this is the end of the round.
Grab him to the body and then bring his left hook back up, and he'll have a knockout.
Bowe looks defenseless for the moment. Chance to pile up points here if he can avoid throwing low blows. And Bowe is just looping wild shots, but he's coming back again.
Condition, who wants it more?
Just to be standing up in there, Riddick Bowe is showing a powerful force of will. Backed away, but basically this is target practice for Galata, who snaps Bowe's head back again. Hard right hand by Bowe. If this fight goes 10 rounds, that'll be the biggest upset since Holyfield over Tyson. Is Bowe playing possum? And there it is again. Riddick 29. Hard right hand. Galata ate 2 right hands there. But comes back with division. But he has shown you a lot of heart.
Riddick Bowe went downstairs this time, maybe accidentally, maybe not.
And Galata was right there on the belt line again. Mostly he's staying upstairs because it's so easy. Trying to put Bowe in George Foreman's lap.
He almost did. Galata's doing right to measure Riddick Bowe.
Vicious right hand. Counter right landed for Bowe.
Bloody, sweaty, hurt. What else is there, George?
Boy, this is the pain.
Semi-conscious.
Low blows, and down goes Bowe again.
Yeah, that's it.
And Cotton is not thinking disqualification.
He's calling the fight over.
That's it.
He's
He
calling
is thinking disqualification.
He's disqualified Galata again.
Galata didn't get the same patience out of Wayne Kelly, or out of Eddie Cotton, that he got out of Wayne Kelly in New York.
Look at that, over and over. And Larry, you can't say these are accidents.
It ends at 2:58 of round number 9. The winner by disqualification, Riddick Big Daddy Bowe.